Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
If you are familiar with the cuisine in the Middle East, then you must have heard of the well-known shawarma wrap. Shawarma is a much-loved snack or meal in Qatar. It's a delicious flat Arabic bread wrap filled with beef or chicken, pickles, parsley, French fries, tomatoes, lettuce, garlic sauce or for some, tahini sauce, and even chili sauce. At first glance, the gyro and the shawarma look the same. They are both descendants of the doner kebab, a Turkish dish made with sliced meat cooked on a vertical rotisserie. But despite the similarities, the gyro and shawarma are different sandwiches. A gyro is a Greek dish that is often flavored with seasonings like rosemary, oregano, and thyme. Gyros are typically served on a pita with tomato, red onion, French fries, and tzatziki sauce. Greek gyros are traditionally made with pork, but American gyros are typically made from ground beef and lamb. A shawarma, on the other hand, is a popular street food with Middle Eastern origins. Although it's traditionally made with lamb or mutton, shawarma can consist of anything from chicken to veal. Shawarmas are also served on pita bread, and they are often topped with pickled fruits and veggies. Shawarma meat is flavorful and juicy, seasoned with spices like turmeric, cardamom, and cloves. And here's showing how the basic preparation of the shawarma meat. Marinated at length in spices like turmeric, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and garlic, giving it a complex flavor both tangy and warm. After which it will be stacked in a cone-like shape on a vertical rotisserie spit and slowly rotate in front of a fire. The outside meat is slowly cooked and then shaved off to serve. Shawarma was originated from the Ottoman Empire, the modern-day Turkey in the 18th or 19th century. Shawarma, also spelled shawarma or shawarma, meaning turning in Arabic, is a Levantine meat preparation where thin cuts of lamb, chicken, beef, or mixed meats are stacked in a cone-like shape on a vertical rotisserie. And when the outside shawarma meat is cooked and done, the meat can be sliced or shaved off by a long sharp knife, or by using the modern-day electric shawarma slicer shaver like the one you see now. Here are some shawarma places that I visited and tried personally. Procedure is first put some garlic sauce on the pita bread, then some meat. This time the chef put a spicy chicken meat, and he mixed with the normal chicken meat, some lettuces, potato fries, then chicken sauce, then close it by wrapping it up. There are also small and big sizes shawarma. This is the spicy chicken meat. And he is wrapping a big size shawarma. Here on the other side is the normal chicken meat for those who don't like a spicy one. And in this one, Turkish style of shawarma preparation. Basically the same, the only differs on the flavorful taste. And here in the town, they do it in a Lebanese way of preparation. They cut into bite-sized pieces and serve on a plate. Still, the best thing to do is to visit the nearest shawarma place and find out for yourself. Its affordability makes it more tempting to eat, with prices ranging from as low as 6 to 16 riyals only. That's all for now, folks. I'm looking forward to hearing your opinions in the comments section below. Shout out and thanks to all my friends and followers. You're all dear to me.
Thank you for watching. This is Mr. Mrdohaman, your friendly neighborhood. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. And please comment down below. I love to hear your thoughts and comments. Until next time.